Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Wamp server. Just open any browser, whatever you have. I'm having Chrome here. So just type Wamp server. The first link which is there is a default or a home page for wampserver.com. Here we can get the setup file. Just click on the first link. This is the home page for the Wamp server. Just scroll down below. Here you can see the download option. You can just download the Wamp server setup on the basis of your operating system 32-bit or 64-bit. Here I am having the Wamp server. I am using 30-bit operating system. Just click on it. These are the conditions and the specification given by this site for the details what you require and what you don't. You can if you don't wish, you can download. You can directly go to download and direct download. It will be directed to sourceforce.net. Just as you can see, it's getting downloading has been initiated. Let's see if it is yes. As you can see, the setup is getting download. So we have downloaded the Wamp server setup. So I will just double click on it. This is a summary, or you can see the tools which are getting with the Wamp server. So these are the bundles: Apache, MySQL, PHP, PHP and others with their version. So all these things to be together will be installed for the Wamp server. Click on next. Just accept the agreement. Click on next. This is a default location where Wamp server is going to install. If you don't want for this default location, you can change the path using browse here. Browse, click on the browse and select the path. I will be using default path, so I am not doing any changes here. Click on next. I will create a desktop icon. Click on next. These are the summaries for this installation, and finally you can just click on install. It will take some few minutes for its installation. As you can see, files are getting installed at this location: C drive and Wamp folder. So here we get the option to choose the default browser for the Wamp server. So I am going to use Internet Explorer. So I will just go to C drive, program files, search for Internet Explorer, and yeah, this one. I am going to make this as a default browser for the Wamp server. So I will just iExplorer, click on open. It depends on your choice what you are going to choose. Okay, Windows firewall, I have to allow access. This is a localhost, which is a server name for the Wamp server. So I will not change anything. Email ID, it will be, let it be as a default. Click on finish. These are the tools which got installed with the Wamp server. So I will just click on finish and launch. As you can see in the right corner for the toolbar, Wamp server here option. Its server is offline. Just left click there. I will just put server online, so I will just click on put online. Now you can see the color for the server has been changed. Now it's online, it's in a green status. I will just click on again. We will just start all services. Again go to, and if you want to check it is correctly installed, to just go here, left click and go for the localhost. Just click on it. So this is a default. So if this page comes, means you have successfully installed Wamp server on your PC. So I will show you the exact location. go for a triple W folder. So this is a location where our projects are going to be stored. We can create our subdirectory and we'll store the project here. Let's go there. So as you can see, I will go for any other option. I will just click on PHP info. Let's see, it will give me the versions for the PHP. Just go back here. Sometimes you will not get this page because sometimes the default port used by this Wamp server is 80. Sometimes the 80 port is acquired by another application for your system, so you have to change your port. For changing your port,
So just go to this left panel, sorry, it's the right panel of the toolbar. Just left click, go to Apache, then go to http.conf. Here, this is the configuration file. Just find 80 here, and instead of 80 you can just write any available ports. Let I will be using 8080. Wherever 80 is there, just change with 8080. I will be adding. Okay, I have changed. I've just saved it. Let me find one more thing. Okay, yes, as you can see, one more statement having the port number localhost 8080. So I will just use add one more here. Just save it. Let me check any other. No other is fine. Just save it. I'm just closing the WAMP server home page. Just go ahead and go to restart all services. I was getting server is getting online. Let's go to here and just put the server online. And now you can go to localhost. As you can see, when I'm not previously I was getting because it was previously for with the port number 80, but if you did not get, you have to change the port number and just type here 8080, and now I get this home page for the WAMP server. If you get error on port 80, you have to change as I have shown you. Just go to Apache http.conf. Wherever you find port 80, just go and add 8080. So let it be, I will be using same thing. Thanks for the watching. Please like, subscribe and comment for this channel.